Okay. Here, this is... Oh. Okay, this is the Hebrews shoes. And then, Sebula Sagna. Okay. Then, let's go to the other. Clean as you go. Okay. Here, we're at Choco. And then, say hi. Hi, baby Azzy.
Want ice cream pie?
Say hi.
Hi.
And then it's great to be here at Sugbo Mercado. We're gonna eat some ice cream. It's with a mukbang time. Hey. Okay, POV. Wangs and Chef Joshua's kitchen. Okay, Okawari. Dip and sip. Billy fruit. Cajun seafood. We're almost at the ice cream store. Okay, coming. Okay, we're almost here. Okay, pork barrel, Jipay, Tipsy, and I don't know what's that, but has a lot of toys. And potato, patata. Okay, so boa, Eckers, and then okay, wait for a bit. Okay, let's buy first ice cream. Moonsky and Sunny. Make every day a treat. It says up the sign. Okay. I want Koan. Ang sanang bicycle? Okay, wait. Why are they? Okay. We're calling Tita Langging and Kai. Where's Tita Langging and Kai? Okay. Okay, I don't know where they are. I did not see where Sky and Tita Langging. Wala. Okay, here is the flavors. Okay, I want Fluffle Fluff, Bicycone. Sila na. Bicycone. Fluffle Fluff, Bicycone, that one. Okay. Let's here. Let's have Fluffle Fluff. What ice cream do you want to buy? Fluffle Fluff, and Kai is gonna buy, and baby Azzy is gonna buy too. Okay.
Ano front cam yung ginagamit doon?
Okay. They're putting wafer crisps. Okay. This is the result. The result is great. These are the results. Okay, I am gonna rate this when I'm done eating. Okay, let me try. Cut! Okay,
I will buy one for you. Okay? Try. Go try. Kuya, ako sa kuya, please. Kanina sa kuya, please. Ako. Parang nagtajam nila ni Anan. Kailan ko din sa kuya?
Kasi,
Tapos isang Darth Vader. Ganyan na stop lang.
don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Let's go. Are you vlogging?
Yes.
What's your name in YouTube?
Greg Allen Walker.
Greg Ellen Walker?
And then, now I am almost at 100. I am now at 37.
Yay! Congrats! Ara po. Kulang. Pila tanan? Isa ka Darth Vader kini, isa ka ba?
See you at part 2. Bye.
Nanay.